Ya mamu nyina wache esa mama kwa ba wiem so hwe Badwam wo Adom TV o hwe live so wo DSTV channel 280 and Go TV channels 276 sanso na ye streaming enso Facebook Adom TV YouTube so kwa Adom TV se che on follow share mo bi enya bi hwe jiwadwen kire eto ye Facebook streaming no ase ene YouTube be gibre ne yakenkan de amabra to se yeri abadwafo be sin konya na ye di enkomo mfa na sekese enkomo Franco Trading Enterprise da bia meka no aka to se phone papa na hifie ene wodom ope phone be che ede ama phone ya papa na ne bonso e wofma ye Franco Trading Enterprise eno no obesanya air condition free TV and so on bibia de sese de madam yakono ye febia de Franco Trading Enterprise akache ena kwa ubenya bi atohwebo e won kran ene kuma sanso na Safari Tissue Medical akache se mesere wada enne COVID-19 tinum se handkerchief use no abafom na obi ade ya adwuma eye tissue se na be ya uyusu wi anu ato atwene na asan kogya ya de bia amfa ma wo pe tissue ya emu edru o de pe wani mu betimi a chen free ye pa Safari Tissue wonya wo e ofie o serve mo o serve ade hiem e wo choba restaurant e na wo pe tissue dia ma wo a Safari Tissue ne bo e ofom ye pa okogya so abenya bi ato anopa de ye nom eye richoko ye tware hye na ye kama ede amai mekoda so yasene eme de Mpensenpensemu dwumadie eto aso ede ama ma mefa ya kwakese enkonfama Nana Kwame Adofrempong aka Buffalo ono ene campaign manager ede masame eoku nyame yadom a memene da ede yenimia na yesie de papa eda Kwame Adofrempong ewo achim kokrantumi ene ye papa no eye na Buffalo matete se ebu akwa nofo nso eni hodom eti yemi akwa ne akoka yenua Buffalo no nkosie ne papa empra na chiri kra saso ena na ya opreko enso enua ba sister Lydia ya yebo anso nyame ya mamemene de ya eno nso ye pene krabia ewo asante achim domiabra eti nana ya nso kafra ya preko sheding na nyame enka wonso wo ho nyame ya meba ne aba begia mu nyina ma wakora onua ba fefefe yenua Elias Rauf yo to nkrade free statement video mantem so ne ena ye papa eye ewo adwira nyame nka wonso ne abusua wobegyafo atrase eba bedi enkomo ahwe Ghana enkanko ene ne mpuntuo ade ba ko ese ewo eyese enano na otwie mu ena former president John Dramani Mahama ede nkomo kese bi epieye na nkomo ne nyina efase ebre ewie de se oman no ebetimi atai amoyekwa odu a edimu echi osomas ne osikasemu especially mo campaign se na be ya wonko stress sika fan free baby man nko wie chire so munya tumi a sa nkofo mko stress sika free mo no embe control aban no na embe ha oman Ghana oman sikasem enye nnenko asem ye ko ye nimu ye possible se betimi a sponsor eye political parties say ejina wona so yi e wo Ghana abra yeko abato so adam Ebeneza Nate eye former MP Ablekuma Central sanso na se Anthony Kwaku Buai eye former National Deputy Communications Officer edema NDC amyekun point for ko de
enyo
the only chemistry teacher ibi a hye
me mo ye pa na to ho ye de
nyamias
e do ba de at
ye de nyamias good ona Ebeneza Nate ya wosa ekobiem and na mtise na manfo ka se wa na mo hwe because of no wa ye dia mo muntia odi enti na manfo se hwe obi mo Ablekuma Central
nyame dase nyame sha mame fa akonya wo nso na menchia ahwefo nyina se asema obisa de odi bisa ewoku ban na not me constituency
okay
but they say metunu
what to know
metunu nti okonenim oze ofu popo no na me ka chance wan hwe ni obe won akọ Peter Mali me ka no ze ono okonenim am se uko ni obe won akọ Peter Mali is the anya fufu boy die obe won no dey fire fene sen kumase kwanso na obe won na me ko hwe me nya be ma fuku wo ya o Peter Mali say na okan no yes okay. My 4 years in office as a member of parliament everybody our Ablekuma Central can testify to the good worker when it comes to education sector, when it comes to your friend is saying health sector, when it comes to development in terms of drains, road network, and in fact, baby a quite nikrano, the quiet and to home. So, and people have seen a difference. That's 4 years of Eben administration and 3 years of Obi our boss is saying, and if you compare to previous ones, or mobile, they have seen a total difference. And it will be extremely difficult, say, Obi to me, I back close to what we're able to do because say I didn't know kuku hona me first kuku na bet me aboamia I will go to him. Say me say wo ho abeba. So every electoral area obebe bia no it was 7 electoral area you see my footprint so the people themselves are saying say yes indeed mistake been a buyer but we want you to come back and come and continue the good work that you were doing.
Me name there but the last time now penny been me din kubo constituency no ka say you consult everybody from omua omuni party mu pokra no ono mu din komo for o constituency and how o party no like engaging or BBO constituency of both NPP, NDC, and how party no.
You see, what me believe in is after election, no, they are now udin kunima, they are that with him a year or minor any constituency now and the official. So a collective ideas and I'll bet to me that the let me give you one example. Tete Chai, or you still need health insurance, Sika. They started say ODC a cheap compound. Town council line. The first 4 years. The second 4 years no. Went to me and to Asubium because the funds no a delay. So we couldn't continue. Me buy no I realized that we don't have any government health center be our constituency. Your private ones. But nipa in the bet me afford the private ones.
Sure.
Me call then constituency chairman of NDC, who happens to be the assemblyman in Latebia Okoshi electoral area. I don't know what no. Let me call no because let me try to the channel me sankano. Let me see what is the idea behind this clinic we. And what was the source of the funds? Also call if me decided say oh let me go away with him MYN.
Sure.
But he was able to tell me. Then me so me thinking outside the box. See some people in the constituency I may feel so to me the Badwam. It's almost about, if I'm not mistaken, it will be more than 5 to 6 acres of land. One person, Miko Approchino, he wore the whole clinic. Wow. I went to the chief of staff. Onosu Badwam. Miko Yema Minatoshio, Onosu Badwam. As I'm speaking with you now, we were 40 beds. 40 beds. Bed, both maternity bed and whatever, it will set. And no open the clinic, you know, a bigger problem. It's your white elephant.
Yeah, but honum, Babeshe. Sir Anthony Koku Boy, the only chemistry teacher. You're here, Amanyosem. Say, Bokodia.
Honorable, Meneno, Nanette. One time be made the horse no obi bomb gating. E baya e go kuwa o mo se mi gu kwan no. Oko TV zo akọ kawate. Te baba be gu kwan so ama. Bani ampa oguye kwan no na kwan na da kwache. So ye project kakra so fine. Ye bompa ye say nyame e ho ye seat ye de fem no. Na ya sabe di ade. Get to be in who we are be day. Empire me boma no say be man minister bia. 1.5 years ya. E be the
well, fortunate for us, you come with the kind of day. Mummy no nyina makọ elections. Okay. Go for party, work for national. This issue about say government and sponsor political parties are a dimuye omuwa holding. So basically say they all can go ye NPP NDC. Omu campaign se na be ya omu outsource omu funds enfemfra baby. Nemko we nipa no ewi ni power. Or na be control mampani na oteso because of this can be or the support here. Is possible kwagu?
And I was pay chairman penny John Daman Mahama and Hokani. na memo na baso last year last week he did any de ne ko asantemem mo de ne campaign de kokopie ho na wo hwe de we agana for esi so ni mu no na ne asantemem esi so ni mu na me ye sure say pano nyame di nechi
okay
tie nyame pa obeba na waba beto an nyuma pa oye edwa ndc ene Ghana fo e no kre se party ye on in pa ba ko bie no obetumi den no nko ani sika etumi aye political party amana ye successful
okay
na political party ne so betumi nyina so a e sika ya na de nti se omampani John Dramani Mahama adaso daye papa na waka se political parties akese wo memu ano yenso wo mu a me ye sure say step in the right direction enyi wono nko na edi nka aka political scientists be brave edi nka aka na bi omo de no omo ka no mo jato ho but ono ne de wa take bold decision of fresh SCS mpenfo bebre won to mo ka kasa wase CDD ne integrity international no ne ayi omo nyina aye den e bai obia de ideas ever to dwa say the beya e bitumi sustain na nsema work no so no e bitumi aye o ka asem ne bi atwam na electoral commission no so political parties na say okay no more cast so mu sa number of parliamentary candidate abe file no o mo hwe ho near the cars aye dey amount ana etiguye it is a electoral commission put to me capacity it to me talkers MMA political party mo makade kakra o man no to ne betumi aye amana abrocho nyese ebia aban no entirely oba be fa sika ni nyina
okay
but akade kakra political party ne betumi dey mobile obetumi dey akondate omo internal and external election say ye committed pa betumi provided am political party do ni nya say on say mra no Ghana yamra no kwa kire so obi ntumi frama no ne mambepoa but omukọ ba no de ababesi o kai say ni no MPP for mbeba power 2016 omukọ China omu sa tape na Dr. Mahmoud Baumia Kutaboa
okay
no mo ye fundraising no mo stress na de obeduru ye ni sika say no de bae ye nwuni basanke transparent ananke ma obi ehun to ye ko China ye ko sika say discuss ye nya no adwuma weni de be ya me sure say nka China form ne enko apam say I know hydro be pem the secret of the ba
apam
but rule out ba ntumi so rule out betumi true say no ka ho bi
okay ebi so ba say bi anya
betumi so aba say eno nka ho bi but on the be pattern yes ebi anka say no hydro ya no omko deal say nke bi anka transparent ya ke bi nkura nka sika ni nyina aba am yetumi aye but then I'm say bibi nti so dem e patchere no na abedu ba bi adui okay say NDC ye pen so nanka China for my sika me de aye Eastern Corridor route okay enema bi we privy to meeting bi a ye call no China
okay
China for invite president and then the party for Dr. Potofi epeto na no die ne me na kokwanyi do ne ayi ne koye die nti omutwa asa contact no no bo ka kire ma me mfa ntudwa so dem e pa kire no nti senka political party no wo no man ni tumi so ne mu na political party ni gina ne na azo me sure senka bi kura nke ntumi ne foreign net ne bi enko pam be due baby no on be so na be control wo e kwa be fa so abebu man ebi nso kwa na baby ono na idea na wo de ba no emwa wo man
okay but you hwe say expenses are a core political campaign mu no enya mu ne to da bia mu ma ne ye ho nti no eje mo nsem
ye ma ne ye ho tsetsai
like mu ma the sikana or some campaign no eye kese because of certain name bia no be ke kamo campaign no
ye den na ye kese o kwa kuchie nipa e wo be se e bia o komi krombo mfa chiase ana so komi kromo adujama odrubo mfa chiase no e bia afre nipa e bi firi nkura ase na eba nti o ma ba be hia tuntunso mu omo no Umpe bibi kakra mom so mfa omutienti. Ono a wagya na adwuma to. On de me pa che no. Oje sika nie no to wono ne de kakra na da ho. On sa mfa kamera no bo no ansa meto nsuo no. Ono ameto aduane ni.
Because we say yes adianka settling ke bianka mo campaigns can come use nka enko kesisa because now as a CD report be I stand to be corrected.
Unu muska ye
say campaign e wo Ghana so person e mampani wo Ghana you need no less than about $100 million or so if I'm right.
Yeah.
Why should it be so?
Now all file electoral commission cry file not 100,000. Yeah. Let's say 100,000 275.
You're talking about $100 million.
Electoral commission. How much you say? Last year 275 constituencies no. Obi etua obi 10,000.
Make a president in your parliamentary.
And America no sending nyina ka ho. E inclusive president to be parliamentary candidate for the president to parliamentary candidate for the kan nyina abom.
How?
Yeah. As a parliamentary candidate no we need capacity be bitumatuya.
Ade.
Am electoral commission.
Ade.
Mo be ko be bebre kura no. Ebi wo kura ni pa kura no be ko akopom ato no ma ba bigina. Ono ye ne campaign. So no be file will be winning our no neighbor by Yajuma. Who being the leader of the party? No, it is your responsibility. And with that, into your trouble, electoral commission you do parliamentary in the swat. You Tiana you can't in a boom, some 275 constituents in a more comparison. A cassage in a mobitria, no mobitria. But
when the funded parliamentary candidate to the campaign,
presidential candidate
on the funding,
to account one party in and a copeska. Enti say moko election no now to 25%
yeah
across the country and now compared to 25% a very fine amount yeah to the party both NDC and people do muti kama home but ansa na abekwa competitive candidate aba betua no o ka ko fan way mo ka kotre enti say the mawa utiye na ta utumi kro 25% na ne da ma na bia bia an compare no de akwa kotua.
Do you have to review your campaign strategy say na be ya kan nko ye kese and I feel say be wo ya no
ka percent ke ni say ni say na ka percent ke ye no onko onya rally on move towns because on move kra cars kra do eche ne fuel Land Cruiser so fele ba akwa 28 million Land Cruiser o fele ba akwa 28 million me kukuma say me program de call ya me failure na 24 million me ba akwa bibia be bu ase ma eja na ye to omu to di free kuma say ekwa mu hode aba no 2000
ubetimi at Land Cruisers na ko campaign so
na wo ko to e wo kuma say ko na mu nkura ase
yeah
ubetimi de ka keto akọ
me say ubetimi at because emre bia say NPP or power ni NDC kan say mampani koto no wasisa Land Cruisers bebre NPP so ka the same thing challenge na mo akasa bo campaign na e bo mo ka no se nipa 50 na be firi akra akọ na be bo ka e na wonte so maten
ade na nipa to bia wona dwuma wo ye e de boa e bia ye ko ye mpanifo a mampani dwantama na yedi na chindie we can afford our trips because we buy krum ya chanter we no buy ye mpanifo yes e boni chidom
sure
enti men ko kan kire ne se won to fuel mame mo kan kire me go fie ho men ko kan kire so han hotel mame etam ko da me fie me am to me fuel
no to mo say free national
na sen kai sa na sen kai sen kai bi anka rege bia no a nko be ko na mpanifo firi ho no na nko maboni chidom na so resources kakra wo na so de ayede na wo de abo me to say me doctor puni na ko ye e wada akọ na ko obi enu ho a me fa ne say yes
eti na make about the review of the campaign because be na working say for example a word akun e asantede free kumasi e wo fie
and the okra so ho
and okra so is the adent no say jomama e kwa o sa pe card ma wada akọ sa pe hotel ma wada akọ
yani de
that is it is a reviewer ebe mabo no aba form kakra as against the current state say is a deep ne fa obi a okobia ahoka etu for we say oji review
me no ya gete na ode sa proposal ya ba enti as time goes on no a empanifo enti no ode a CDD CDD for ne sa no omo ehwehwom na de beboa no omo ya stakeholders meeting no ne nema bebre na etumi aboa na ya so political parties be nso ha onua it's difficult to become a register kakra it's difficult ana Ghana so ntumi nya no one party state a multi party democracy enti say kakra sen ka CPP no ni PNC fo no a omo wo root kakra no you bet to so omumu na come to apeke say the be ya democracy nso no betumi agina yi
okay well honorable me ba Robert the issues here sekwaku who's your constitution na gaza electoral commission shishe odi ye adwuma na already e kira o say unisika yen ka say pesika bebre but unisika onte political party because actually I say out of the 216 districts no or say at least 2 Thursday over district office and then you scan and be rent so be office so you scan and be so I think say maybe being so ya relax system na mo be fee say
I say political parties omuni offices and you already
no issue no
be mushroom political parties be Ghana, me have to political party a good standing, I no 5 and that's it.
Yeah.
But yet here electoral committee me say you are 37 and now money maybe on petrol me ownti. The small political parties be aba be we mo. O kwa ese am kuta. Na ya man DC back, na man PP back. That's small party. Na mo 3. Into am ko to aba no a. E nu a omo ne aban na kabo mu no. Da bia na omo di nkunu. Omo mo ya. E na e ko to DC. You raise concern say sa electoral commission before say ebeko IPAC no ogun bi ehun ten DC ni MPP na woni power parliament
okay
enti see e cha yen yen fa mo na small party no to no yen mo ba ko pebi ento ya anye na dem ya ba eni omuti ya o mo ye to mo de parliament ento ya anye adwuma mini edu say say na edu say ministers de kwa de etumi approve ye tax ento ne gu ha o mo pese approve adabe na tie you kre anyway what are this assembly about what here to the this year
honorable Benezanati
me da say
next week almost all you to know that ntiti ya na de atonsuom
ma me fa akonya wensu na me nchia ya tie biom na me ma yenwamo muslims nyina omode omoyefo etu afi en na 30 days according to mo say ye Christopher nso ye Lent
sure
nti coincide I pray say na me be ma ya hoden ani nyansa na de da ye nyina ya akoma so no ye Lent yi mu ne ye fasting yi mu no Nyankopon ye den ade amaye na masre adawa force say em say so na start na ye be hwe say ye tu kwan na ye be hwe ye hu so na ye hu kwan be fa so be na enwuam nso on be fu popo no so no ye prepare ye hu akono so ye hu anamo an betu Megidi said this is the first time the issue of government ebe find the political parties eba in fact e mo bi wo ha we are young but e dey politics achi achekakra sana kweku kan no I think it was during President Rawlings time and na electoral commission supporting political parties and they look at the strength of the political party the number of cars say all the political parties are benefiting all the registered political parties are benefiting e bi wo ha sana koku eka ni last minute or the cover your friends CI issue by they look at the strength of the party in parliament they look at my contribution and bibia na ahwe say okay fine you talk as 200 na 300 ye ma NDC 450 ye ma MPP 450 more ma can ye ma mo say ni because ebu okwa they don't have a representative in parliament so they look at all those things but the point they say I agree with CDD4 when Omoye start survey about how much we spent as political parties to be honest with you, you know I will not be surprised say even the figure that they are quoting for presidential any parliamentary a bit more than that more it can even be times 2 or times 3 of it because Obi will be spending $100 million for presidential election now. I can tell you say $100 million who converted back Ghana Sikamoya and now me who say NDC a year on presidential and parliamentary primaries. How much are they paying? John Mahama, former president, any Kujo Bonsoni, a friend saying you'll be at 500,000. And I'm a boy. Or more person Mudi MP, will be at 45,000. So, meaning that, parliamentary primaries are, you spent not less than your friend is saying 1 million or 2 million, depending on the constituency that you are coming from.
Okay, so by CDD report now, over the 2022, no, I'm pay presidential no at $100 million, then parliamentary at $85,000. But now can also Oma breaking say depending baby
exactly because so uko baby to say Ashanti region, obi a parliamentary primaries will not spend the same amount no like obi or Greater Accra.
Okay.
Obi or voter region.
Sure.
Of the same party.
Yeah.
For instance, NDC for Airco Prime Minister say, Nia Okuya to be say, your friend is a ni region, no.
Not on.
Not on. It will be more than Obia or Ashanti region.
Yeah.
Because the pandemic said, no matter what it is,
we
need primary school and parliament in the main court.
Yeah.
But Okuya to have a belief, say, when I win the primary school, me parliament like that.
Yeah.
So instead of say Abia, it's a cross board. Oh, you know, MPC share. You quite a dream so Obi Abemo Obia 100 Ghana.
Yeah.
But Obi Woha, he can give more than 100 Ghana cedis.
Okay.
That is why I do primary. So don't say be check cars.
Yeah.
Obi check your friend and say bicycle. Obi check moto. Obi check say. But the question that we need to ask ourselves is say, Sasi kani na efim. Mama one example. In 2015, me come a parliamentary primaries. Me go share delegates. Ewo Abosokai. And one guy last me say me friend na man obi ofre obi di man me friend no.
Okay.
Ye pon ya me mo TNT no. Oka chem so na bo me minji o. Minji sika we. Na obe wini na me ba wo ho oka chem say wakobo busha nti utia oka. Nti minji nti fakọ.
Wow.
I'm telling you. And I was shocked. And I know me friend say, "Odame, the bia me kan wasema o kan." Say, the mentality they say, he wants you to come and help him.
Yeah.
So he doesn't want to say, "Oh, kwa kasa kwa bobu sia o baby." Enti u ba no, u tia o ka no, ansa na boana o besa o boano e den, o be boano.
Yeah.
But how many can do that? The point they say, in as much we all agree for government to support political parties no. Should the extent and amount of money a call from primaries and then Ababe Shemu from your friend is saying general election anymore. Okay. It's a huge sums of money. Can government do that? Yes, I agree with Kweku and I agree with President Mahama said because people sponsor that your friend is saying presidential and parliamentary, you know. One nobody gives your friend himself for free.
Yeah.
Or the bibi mawa bibi techire.
Sure.
And the bibi techire he is sponsoring you because so when you the 2 me you be call election 2020. Obi frame me. In fact, me we have a group of MPs.
Yeah.
No beside also be support here. Broni o so be support here. Na say winia position be na e benya wa ban ni mu. Nah, say yes, our position. Now, then a bed.
Okay.
I'm saying I'm not the appointed authority. It is a we need a meaning to position. I say me position. To be bomb, so I'm in court. So, only mindset, no. And because it's a big time, your friend is saying estate developer.
Okay.
On me say, Ubeye MP. Now, your man ministerial position. You use. Opposition no,
yeah.
No, I be man. That's what he expects.
Okay.
So why you say we any pair? That's what the point is. But my point is that can government be able to fund? Because in Kweku we have a lot of political parties.
Sure.
But Kweku see and then Kweku say some political parties no. Ye cha dia na eden. Ya momu tre na other political party. But these same political parties, they were there during the NDC administration. Sir,
from mushroom political
exactly.
parties.
Those parties, no.
Okay.
Nana do buy no. MPB time now. What is our party? Eagle party and from Freedom party. Your friend say, Gustavo there no. And from even busy. I never call your friend saying, Parliament say the party no. And from all these parties are still there. And yes, as you said, no. Per the constitution and per the your friends act no. All political parties, at least you should have 2 tests. I can tell you, say, me, apart from NDC, ni ye ankasa MPP,
yeah,
and a CPP, and a
PNC so.
PNC put on money be on the constituency, and a PPP 4 weeks. In fact, PPP come out say ye 2 of them crowd. I know about me how say me compact your mom. So 4 political parties will pay in a more office. Ablekuma Central. 4 political parties. But go to EC. Ubenya more than 50 political parties.
Yeah.
They don't have in fact the two nuka for mumbi. Apart from MPP and NDC, they are two now can for mumbi. Since we be maybe that. And none of me say now I done to us on by presidential primaries. Maybe PPP or mumbi. So you have only NDC and MPP 24/7. No maybe.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, you know, all these political parties know it. It is a buying address of your correspondent political party here. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Not the say the mono near momo. But the point is say any sasu dia and I said rolling time now. For example, war na use our ratio no.
Okay.
Yeah.
They are supported. So say himself all political parties say $100 million, $200 million. They more be
okay.
These two political parties now more MPs no. Your man will say amount no.
Okay.
It is up to you say you use it judiciously. One other thing I may feel say I bet to me so aboya political parties na oma analysis about in the same kuku kan so.
Yeah.
Omumu bi wo ha free your friend is saying Ashanti region.
Yeah.
So if the mama is going there, why should we put burden on him? I bet me afford the Yankasa.
Yeah.
It is time, say, even political parties join our campaigns, especially at the local level. No, we can give a level played for all the people who wanted to come and and contest. Because look, we primaries. There are some constituencies in past so constituency where they me win and they me win seats no.
Yeah.
Into we need primaries, no join for constituency hall because he has spent all his money for the primaries. And primaries to bear in mind say government don't give you money, the party don't give you money for your primaries. So when you support from the party now, unless we need primaries, and you put there, it comes last minute and and it's for both political parties.
Yes, no now. Say what to was for. You have been able to pay your way throughout. Now, per CD report, let me just read again. MPs spend as high as $693,000 for 2020 campaign. For the primaries up to the election, what me governors sikadi akọ primaries, akọ winning. Uba national, also is a party, a support to, a fund one son, what to be akọ.
And then I can say, sir, $693,000. $650,000. Dollars na ye kan ho asem no.
Yeah.
Ebia makoko mami 10,000 mum.
Okay.
Maba wo mami 5,000 mum.
Okay.
Mako bi wo mami 6,000 mum.
Yeah.
Mako bi wo mami 5,000 mum.
Yeah.
And I make me raise sap sikano. So that one is different from your friend is saying and honestly it will be extremely difficult for any politician from even assembly election to the national election who will tell me so no am botom sikano the election.
Yeah.
You can't. And yes, the support from people. If you have family, if you have friends, if you have, it doesn't belong to your party. But for the fact say, or pay wasem, or bet my support too. Some go to extent of even selling their properties. Properties.
Why your election campaign are difficult and expensive in Ghana? Is it that the politician yet for your demands in tea and amana kosan? Anyway, Emre Seba, you better also. Okay, some few minutes to go. Kwakubwa ewa sanso na we benezanate enso ewa mpefo me fa wrap up. One is wo campaign cost ne boy dey. Mu akasa na mu create BB around it and I say the demand from the people no. Any time campaign no e boy dey. On am start through so.
The politicians, the demands, because you go and make promises.
Okay.
You go and say so many things.
Okay.
So at the end of the day, the people expecting you say, okay. And then it is akwe bibi to say, I call Chabi. Say, your friend is saying, you take care of your constituents.
Yeah.
Irrespective of the political affiliation.
Okay.
Me, when I was at the MP, whether NDCU, whether MPPU, whether CPPU, provided I have the means. Okay. Na oba na M1 wo ho ameden me boa. Sometimes it is not ni pakono ni will say be obeba say o parent, obi o per se, obi o per school fees or per se. But the circumstances in which of finding who into no, you have to come and fall on you. It is not everybody who comes to you for school fees, for rent, for all those things. But when nipa ko ne hu ache no asa nyina ye hu tumi kire ye konkofo for mo MP ene die say ni mwa ho no de aboa no you have other responsibilities in the constituency. You are going for funerals, you are going for weddings, you are going for adory, you have other social activities. I say every day, ubeko, I saw we harvest, you are frail, and harvest be our chairman.
Oh no, because you are a member of parliament, members are 60% of your budget support, you know, every amanoni neighbor. Say mudi be na ye de ba support, yes, first say yes sponsor political parties na. Yen ko bobosia na fa sponsor mo na say ye IGF na ye raise na ensu ye no nominate entry be free fan sponsor.
Oh, for me, I think say if we agree by this, so the government ebe sponsor political parties are ekwan bia ba betumi afa so anya sika, whether from revenue, from IGF, I will not support the idea say go and borrow money and come and support political parties. And ukoya a friend is now the bar ubenyaska we akotua. But one kasa internal generated funds. ABS we expecting to parliament to pass the amendment bills I dey acquire almost about 4.4 billion. Yet to me no na other avenues I sika I believe strongly say we'll be able to. But for me, I still believe say yes, it is doable, but it's very expensive.
Yeah.
So there should be a broader consultation. And I said, this is not the first time. It has been said over and over and over and over. But the point is that my only problem, we only identify some of these things when we are in opposition. But when we are in government, we also need to raise some of these things.
Mate, Kwaku?
It's two sides now because to me pen and form. Let's say prepare now with our capacity out the bay. Enti ansa kra na we no sa say state in fund no. You political party no kra na to work capacity a bit me now na so na mo kakra state in the baba ka ho no. Onto to me aye dey. Aye because that one man smaller parties na o matete no wo ho ana ubekwa na omo posters bo kwa wo to office ne bia free frantoma ne bia ahye frugu ne bia say ubuta na office kro odi bi oni capacity obetumi dia yes a political party but just say o free say we to me create that you know party bia be baso bia no obetumi de ne ho akwa no na wanya contact ba ko mienu
bia keka kweli ase
wanya ba ko mienu miensa bi no me amatam na make
when we are sending message you see a question in place. Remember, GUM is the third political party per result we had in 2020 general election.
Enti GUM onzo ho is that so for nyina mate se kum chacha no nyina so mo better political party enti enyina ayemwa na omampani John Bama asem yo kan yi yemfa kwa dwendwunum ne hu the way forward em so atase CDD say omo ehwehwem na omo ne stakeholders ne nso nya hu meeting me sure say be ya because afi omampani John Dramani mama wo ba wonu to me decide to this one we aba no me sure say CDD for the political parties ni we are obetumi decide na yadwuma
ama sipi kwaku buahe meka say nyame ya adumu a memreda 1st April na ye ochia me kwabena ampadu eyo ewo nana afrakoma ahimfie ewo akwamufie mede de akwasi sia nyame ya adumu adwada ye bere ahia makraw